Hi guys, welcome back. Real quick one on the Project Golf today. So the replacement bonnet strut has arrived. Just need to switch this over because right now the one that's in there isn't giving any support at all. There's a little trick to dealing with these, but this job is only going to require a flat bladed screwdriver. Now, as before, just to get us going here, I'm going to have to prop this up. I'm just going to use an old aluminium rod, find a nice place to park this under the bonnet here. I'm going to be propping this up in the corner of the engine bay and into a slot in the bonnet, so that will keep it from bonking me on the head. Okay, so we're going to start at the bottom. I'm going to use the flat blade of the screwdriver to insert into this metal band and just prise that forward. And with it prised forward, it releases its grip. So as I'll show you here, all that is doing when you release the metal band is it's opening up those two little prongs there that grab onto the end here. Same at the top. So here we are at the top. Exactly the same procedure. The bottom's now loose, of course. That's important with this top one because it's not going to release particularly easily without. I've always found these easier to pop off if you switch them upside down. This makes it a bit easier to tweedle it out, and that just pops off. Again, it's just a ball end there that the new piece clips onto. So refitting is the exact opposite of removal, making sure you have them the right way around, of course. I'm going to pop the top one on here. It just pushes on. And then back down to the bottom. Okay, remember that this is a gas shock. You might need to hold the top of the bonnet to actually push this up. Just lean on that there. That's my temporary prop falling out. And as with the top, once it's located, just push it into place. That's it. Job done. So we can now remove the temporary prop. And here we are, supported by the new gas strut. So there we go. Nice and easy. You'll not beat that for a quick job. And we'll just lower it down, lift it up again, and just make sure it can support its own weight, which it can. Job done. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. If that's been useful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There's plenty more jobs to do on this Golf. I think probably the next one's going to be the wings, so stay tuned, click that bell to be notified when those come up, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.